A narcissist's body language says a lot about their personality, revealing how they think, experience emotions, and perceive the world around them. Laughter is one such aspect of their body language that says a lot about their conscience and character because they do not laugh like most people do. Hi, I am Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. In this episode, I will share 5 shocking and bizarre facts about a narcissist's laughter. If that interests you, subscribe and push the bell icon to get updates about episodes like this one. Before we start, I have a question for you. Did you experience anything bizarre or strange related to the narcissist's laughter? If yes, drop your experiences in the comments below and help other survivors feel validated. Let's get started with number 1. The narcissist's laughter sounds fake, forced, and sometimes wicked. That comes out when they humiliate someone, put them down, or make a spectacle of their unfortunate situation, which is a direct display of their lack of empathy and concern for others. Quite inhumanly, they find people's suffering and failures amusing and funny. They find sadistic satisfaction in making people feel smaller and having power and control over them, which comes out as weird, loud, and demonic laughter. They do not usually laugh, but when they do, it is forced because they have to appear normal and desirable. They stretch a couple of muscles around their face to give their mouth the shape of a smile, but it is never heartfelt. They just know how to follow the script, and that is all what they do. Number 2. They have exaggerated yet shallow laughter. They never laugh at intellectual comedy or anything subtle or natural. They seem to recognize simple things like slapsticks and know they're supposed to laugh at pie in the face type humor. This shows their lack of depth, immaturity, and arrested development. They do not connect with anything at a deep emotional level. So they do not laugh at things that are connection focused and human experience related. They may laugh at stuff that is immature and artificial, for example, things said in a comedy show, but never at real life situations where you or they make a silly mistake, and this mistake has the potential to become a moment of connection through laughter. Number 3. Their laughter comes out more shaky and nervous when they feel criticized but can't act out their rage and have to laugh instead. They don't like to be humiliated or made the butt of the joke. So when that happens, they are enraged, ready to burst, but the pressure to maintain the facade and the perfect image forces them to laugh while seething and boiling in anger. Worse yet, some of them do not laugh at all and act like a cold stone that is rigid, raging, and serious all the freaking time. Some narcissists never laugh except when drunk and when all their defenses are down. Number 4. Their laughter is manufactured, which is evident by the fact that they wait for everyone else to laugh first and then pretend to laugh. They do not connect with others and possibly have dysfunctional mirror neurons that do not fire at the proper time and that do not sync. Another proof of the same is their lack of yawning reflex. Yawning is said to be contagious, but not for a narcissist. When you yawn around them, they don't yawn back. According to a study, the yawning reflex is directly related to a person's capability to be empathetic, which tells you everything, which explains everything. Quite weirdly, they can laugh and put a severe straight face in a split second. I mean, who does that? When you laugh, you slowly transition back into a normal facial posture. It can't be that discreet unless it is fake and you see it as an act that makes you seem to be more likable and desirable. Number 5 and the last one. They never laugh at themselves for silly things like burning a toast, but if someone else does it, they will never miss the chance to pick at them. They like laughing at others but never at themselves, since doing that would mean accepting their vulnerability and imperfection. They can't laugh at themselves because they believe they are perfect and there is nothing laughable in them. If you laugh at them with non-malicious intent, you must be punished because you pointed out a flaw in them that does not exist. Hypocritically, they find it hilarious when people mess up, but rage when the joke is on them. The truth is that they don't laugh a belly aching and a truly fed laughter because they are emotionally dead. There is no agency within them to facilitate the true experience and expression of joy and happiness. They're miserable and stuck in their denial. In a nutshell, they laugh with hard, stone cold eyes and a dead heart that feels nothing except anger and shame. That was it for today's episode. I hope you resonated with it, and if you did, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe and share this video. I will talk with you in the next one. Until then, let the healing begin.